What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Windows 11 update issues, specifically the KB5065426 update not installing. Now to fix this problem, you just need to go over to your Windows button, click on it and search for services. Select services. Now with this open, locate app readiness. You're going to find it right here, double click on it. Then you're going to hover over startup type and it's currently set to manual. Click on the drop down and select automatic. And you're going to click on start. After clicking on start, you're going to click on apply and then press OK. Now once you've done that, you're going to click on app readiness once again, but this time instead of double clicking on it, you're going to right click on it and then click restart. For our case, we're not having a problem with this. But in your case, if you follow the steps, you can click on restart and this will be enabled for you to click on. After this is done, you can close this, go over to your Windows button, click on it and go to settings. Under settings, you're going to click on Windows Update. And once you're here, you're going to see pause updates. It's currently paused for a week. You can leave it at that. And then when you have your update right here, you can click on install all. Specifically, if you have KB5065426 not installing, you could try to restart the update process again. And this step should try to fix this problem.